Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon cards. To begin, each player shuffles their 60-card deck and draws 7 cards. Next, place one basic Pokémon face down as your active Pokémon and up to 5 more on your bench. Draw 6 prize cards and place them face down. Flip a coin to see who goes first, then reveal your active and benched Pokémon. You are now ready to start your first turn. During your turn, you always start by drawing 1 card. After drawing, you can perform several actions in any order. You may play 1 energy card to power up your Pokémon for attacks. You can also play any number of trainer cards, which provide various effects. Additionally, you can evolve your Pokémon, moving from a basic to a stage 1, and then to a stage 2, making them stronger. Remember, you can only evolve a Pokémon once per turn. Now, let's set up MetaTrader 5. First, place the myfxbook.dll file into your MT5 Libraries folder. Next, copy the myfxbook.ex5 file into your MT5 Experts folder. After placing both files, restart your MetaTrader 5 platform. Finally, go to Tools, then Options, and under Expert Advisors, enable Allow DLL Imports and Allow Web Request for listed URL. Add myfxbook.com to the allowed URLs. The primary way to win is by taking all 6 of your prize cards. Each time you knock out an opponent's Pokémon, you claim 1 prize card. Another path to victory is if your opponent has no Pokémon left on their bench when their active Pokémon is knocked out. Finally, if your opponent cannot draw a card at the beginning of their turn because their deck is empty, you win the game. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.